Now let's go over the rotate command. First, let's select an object that we would like to rotate. Go ahead and select your entire model. Now select the rotate command. Now let's pick a base point for our rotation. Let's go ahead and pick the origin. Now when we see the rotate tool highlighted the same color as the axis, that is because it is perpendicular to that axis. So let's go ahead and click once there, and let's click once in any direction, and we can see we can rotate our object around that center point we selected. Now I can click and place this model anywhere, or I can type in an angle here. So let's go ahead and type 45 degrees, enter. There we have rotated our model 45 degrees. Click rotate again. Now you will see the rotate tool turn black. That means it is not aligned with any of our original access points. But we can still select anywhere on our model, and we will rotate perpendicular to that surface. So let's go ahead and undo that. Now let's use the rotate copy function. Go ahead and select your model once again and select the rotate. And let's go ahead and select this origin point again. Drag your mouse and let's go ahead and click anywhere. And then we want to toggle our control button. And now whenever we click again, we will create a copy. So let's go ahead and type 90 degrees, enter, and now we've created a copy of our model 90 degrees from where this other one was. And that is a quick run through of the rotate tool.